Fly or die, asshole. Your choice.
Gonna need both hands to shoot that minigun.
Says who? I do stuff with one hand all the time. Take us to the right, my newly acquired pilot, and get some ammo to spend. So, shoot there! Swing around, fly boy! We got heat on our left! It's so loud I can barely hear myself think! I was thinking the same thing! What? We got company behind us! Make it so! Woo! We can do this all day!
Get Shark 2 airborne now! Shark 1 is compromised. Shark 2, blow it out of the sky!
Yes, sir. We got a bad feeling about this! Keep it steady, dingus! Jeez, I can fly better than that! Hey, that gives me an idea. No, wait. Hell yes! Hey, we're flying! We're flying!
We cannot fly.
Well, it is good to have dreams, though.
Dreams, yes. Delusions?
Yeah! You know what else is good to have? Skills! How much C4 is this gonna take?
It's no more than 20 ounces.
What? Oh, I hate the metric system. How much in American?
Let's see. Carry the 7...
Dude, fuck math. Just use all of it. Oh, yeah! That was awesome!
Told you. 20 ounces. That was pretty sweet, though.
How's that for impenetrable, asshole?
Careful, we still need him alive.
Exactly how alive are we talking?
You're insane!
Not as insane as you think. Yeah, that was fun! Yeah, it was okay.
Well, it's not like we get a do-over on this one.
The hell we don't! Now that's what I'm talking about! Peter, my man, you see all that? Buttload of awesomeness.
Deadpool, you idiot! Do you know how much money all those explosions and tacky graphics just cost me? You can't just change whatever you want, whenever
Yeah,
you
that's
want.
great, Peter. Talk to my dick. Hey, where are you a-holes going with my contract?